Good morning, dear friends and town folk. It's your homeboy Bill Oxidine here. What we've got is my personal animal twin cat RC boat by Oxidine Marine. I've got this harebrained idea to put these extra long outdrives from the beast onto the animal. Now take a look at this, right? The mounting points are the same. It's just this one is about 1.5 inches longer. That's significant. That's gonna make a difference in the handling. So, in order to do this fair, I'm gonna go out and run the boat today. Just make sure everything's cool because this boat went through a lot. It went through a real bad ESC explosion. I was doing a show and I had to do a lot of stop and go. And the people that were throwing the show, they didn't want me to go out in the water and get the boat. So something went wrong and I had to leave it out there and just let the whole thing burn down. You can see a mark on the lid, but a few people saw it at that show and the whole inside of this boat was black and just cooked. Everything was roasted. But as you see, with my level of skills, this thing looks beautiful again. Perfect. So for that reason, we're gonna go down and go and shake it down. We got these 4514 CNC props, nothing too crazy. Go shake it down, make sure everything is cool. And then in our next video, I'll show you how I install the outdrives and we'll go out and run it and tune it and see what's up. But for today, like I said, let's go out and have some fun. Shall we? Good morning. Good morning. I'm out here on the spot, on location. I didn't realize I'd run out of tape, so my attach isn't fully taped on. We got these mount props. I've got a challenge. I don't feel like running back to get tape when the water is this good. It's just really good, and I haven't been getting the best water lately. I'm gonna run it and try to keep it on the water. Let's see if we can do it. Steering's a little bit off because I just redid the steering on this boat, but we'll get it straightened out with some trim. I get straightened out with some trim. Okay. Nice run up, nice shutdown. The animal. Not bad. This is the performance I would expect out of this boat with these props.
Receiver battery 5.8 volt, model speed 16 miles per hour.
We'll bring her on in. There she is, parked all nicely for me. Well, she's back. Very little water inside to speak of. Let's go get some tape, shall we? Well, I'm back. I am back, and I've got tape. It's a little bit more windy, but we're running some heavier batteries. I put some China Hobby Line 6500 6S bricks in this son of a gun. And we're gonna just make some long, deep passes. Play a game I call deep and wide. I can be a little bit more aggressive because I've got tape and heavier batteries. In fact, let's get a speed on these heavy batteries. Shall we?
On the scene, it's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water, shit. Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-driving, bright colors and all. So when you hear it on the water, man, you know they rip. The ESC motors, props, it's lit. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxydine Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine.
Receiver battery 5.9 volt.
Damn it, I was hoping she was up. Well, we got her back on board, unscathed as usual. I just love the Animal Twin Cat, and I love that we build our boats really well. This water's a little rougher than I thought over in the sand. That's why it threw itself. That's why it threw a fit. Wow, a whopping 87 miles an hour? Dude, that's really good for only on 6S with some 4514 props. Damn. I'm telling you, homeboy, this boat got torched, bro. It's doing really well. I knew not to get rid of this boat or chalk it up, or, you know what I mean? It took a lot of work, I'll admit, to get this thing cleaned up, but it was well worth it. I think I did a really nice restore on this boat, and I like this boat. I've never even done the bottom. I've never even roughed up the bottom on it, but I'm thinking about doing that. But what's making me reluctant is this thing runs great, having not done that. I'm gonna give these 4514s a little more credit. 4514 CNCs, a little more credit. I like them. 87 miles an hour, and I bet I could squeeze a little more out of it on some glass. You know what I mean? It'd probably do about 90. That's real fast for some 4514s. And not only is it real fast, that's real easy on the electronics. You know what I mean? You could do just full runs like that. these bullets, they help it. That's for doggone sure. Welp, here we are. Meanwhile, back at the ranch. We're done for the day. We went and did our testing. This boat is running strong. This boat runs good. It's a great boat, dude. 87 miles an hour on some 4514 CNCs. Wow. It makes me think that on some 4514 stainless, it could do almost 100. It definitely will get in the 90s. Yes, indeed. Next phase, we're putting the long outdrives on. We're making an Oxdean Marine Longhorn. We're making it the Longhorn animal, Longhorn ox. Well, if you want to stay in tune with what we're doing and all my fun and funny antics with RC boats, subscribe to our channel. Smash that like button, and by all means, continue enjoying radio control model boats. Bill Oxdean in the animal. Next to be the Longhorn animal. Over and out.